Papa naked. Dirty naked. Live ski, we live ski. We live ski. Let's see. 8 p.m. open. About to happen. Let's see what price I'm gonna do here. Tapping into a 5-minute, respecting it, as well as this 15-minute, which traded through it, so could potentially see price will keep trailing down. But we do have lots of liquidity above. We got these highs, we got these equal highs, this high. So these equal highs as well. So see how I react here. We already swept these little equal lows. So a play higher here could be the case. I would want to see a break above this with displacement though. Probably a model 22. Break this high with displacement. Make a fair value gap. Then retrace back into that entry off of that. This is our first trade on the fresh Apex funded. So definitely disciplined, patient. Wait for A+ setup. Give myself 2 chances to risk 500 to make 1,000. I really want to challenge myself to try to get 5 days in a row. Hitting a 2R trade, risking 500 to make 1,000. Boom, that would give me my max 2K payout on this account. If I could do that, that would be great. But protecting risk-wise, since the max drawdown is 2,000, I'm gonna give myself 2 chances. 1 trade today, risking 500 to make 1,000. If I lose, then I'll give myself 1 more chance tomorrow, risking 500 to make 1,000. If I lose both of those, then I'll start next week with risking 250 per trade. So I'll have $1,000 left in drawdown. So, I mean, that's 6 trades before I lose the account. There's just no way I lose 6 trades in a row. Now, with Asia Open about to happen, I think we could see this shoot up. I just hope that it doesn't leave without us. I don't really want to enter without seeing a market structure shift. But as of right now, we are very much so respecting this 5-minute. Which, I mean, we saw yesterday, Asia made an 800-point move up. So we still have lots of unfilled gaps and everything down below to go and get. So we very much so could see price just continue dropping here, and may see that. I like all these equal lows and whatnot down here. I want to see us inverse this 5-minute. Or maybe even inverse this 3-minute. Maybe with like a fair value gap. Like if we can leave this gap open and come back to retest that and respect that gap. That would be solid. It's just different market conditions. Like so many times in the past couple of weeks, I've just seen Asia session sweep some set of lows or equal highs, and then they'll have equal highs or lows on the opposite side. Once it sweeps that liquidity, then it'll retrace right back and go get the opposing side liquidity. So, but it's just, I mean, we have so much room over here to trade back to, just because of these market conditions. So we swept this internal sell side liquidity. Let's see what price does from here. Get like a inverse of this 1 minute. That would be pretty solid. Looks like we're gonna inverse this 3 minute here. Like how all these candles aren't really closing heavy below that low. But I'll be patient here. One minute left in this 5 minute candle. Got a little pushback up, but failed to close up there. So I may continue dumping here. I just might not get a trace it up. I mean, it is what it is. Definitely could have. I mean, the sweep of this high here would have been nice, but just don't like trading before 8 p.m. I've got my best setups and whatnot from trading after 8 p.m. So versus before. Bodies respect upper half of this gap. For now, at least. been on mute this whole time. I'm asleep. But yeah, decided to get in this because we are respecting this 1 minute. Swipe this internal liquidity. We got lots of buy side liquidity here to come and sweep. The only thing that might get us is that we didn't get a market structure shift yet. So technically we still are bearish at the moment. So I should have been patient with that, but we'll see how it plays out. Right now we're respecting this gap, but let's see. It's not very strong for buys right now. See if we can get some momentum here. Might be cooked here. Definitely didn't wait for that market structure shift. If we cook here, I gotta get off. I gotta stay disciplined to my 1 trade per day. I still is very much respecting this 1 minute gap though. Trying to at least. Come on, buyers, kick in, buyers. Kick in with me, buyers. Nice little pump there. See if it can follow through. Swept all of this little internal sell side liquidity. See if we can get a little market structure shift here and break some of these highs. Nice push. Now, what's going to be the kicker is, we just made that 5 minute gap too, so I don't know if I like this. We do have this 5 minute gap here and a 5 minute inverse, so unless we just absolutely blow through this. Okay, nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. I think I'll go break even here because I want to see this as a breakaway gap. I don't even want to see it come back to my entry here. See how this closes. If it closes below this consequent encroachment, then I'm getting out. I'll take those profits. GG's. We may push higher, but I mean, that's two. I got a 5 minute inverse and a 5 minute candle there. Which that 5 minute candle just closed, and it closed at the consequent encroachment of this. Yeah, we very much could keep blowing through, but just based on that reaction, I'm good. I don't want to be in this trade anymore. Out of BPR here, but price could very much so continue to trade higher. I mean, we did get our market structure shift here. Why is this not black? Look at that candle closing. bears. But we did get a little market structure shift here. Market structure shift along with our gap here, which we did just respect there. I honestly might get back in this. Something like that.
Yeah, I'm good. Easy money, man. What is going on here? Yeah. Spike okay? Yeah, she's looking fine, thanks.
That's a really nice push there.
My cadet here looks like he's about to keel over. Saved the day. Our truck almost ran out of gas and we couldn't refill with the house box with that. So Blue had the idea to
Take this.
balance it out. Where the hell did you learn?
We're risking the profits that we just made, so
Okay, you know what? I don't want to know. Either way,
technically like a risk-free trade here. Very nice respect on that gap there though, with the market structure shift. Oops. See if we can keep pushing higher here.
Son, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. I have some bad news. No.
Ideally, I want to see that 750 range. That would give us our $1,000 a day, so 58.75. But we'll see.
I'll let you go. Another guy. I'm going to take him to Matt. Convince him to change his mind, but
we need this 5 minutes of follow through and finish inverse here. But right now it's not looking good. One more candle after this one. On this 5 minute. Yeah, we're just tanking. I would like to be at the bottom of this gap, but I'd be risking more than 250, so I don't want to put my account in the negative here. It was a very clean reaction there, though. It's just these 5 minute BPRs stacked on top of each other is probably what's gonna hold us back here from taking off. It's 15 minute, almost inversed it, but I don't know. We'll see. Trying to get a push back up here, but it's looking like we might not be able to close above that consequent encroachment. We might. Okay, nice push. Great push here. Get the inverse. Nice. Inverse that 5 minute. I'm gonna remove this so my screen isn't all cluttered. Inverse this 5 minute. Ideally, I want to see the bodies stay in the upper proportion of this inverse 5 minute. Come on, baby. Keep this buying power up. This is our first trade. We'll go ahead and move that to right there. Okay, nice reaction here. That's what I want to see. I want to see price really start to shoot out, start sweeping some of this buy side liquidity. See, we don't have any 5 minute gaps or nothing here, so 15 minutes either. Should honestly see price shoot straight up, but we'll see what it wants to do.
Nothing basic about you, soda. This solution takes the sting out of everything. Trust me, it works. Yeah, I got empty. You were so focused on the name.
Sellers are really trying to hold us back here. But we'll see how this plays out. Once we take this high, I'll go break even. Nice push.
Reduced sentence? That's the best you can do? No. No. We can give you something much
See if we can keep this up. Trading back to that little volume imbalance there. Hopefully it holds. Let's see these strong green candles continue here. Do we ever break? Nope. We still have like this strong like little trend line here, just holding price back. So it looks like we may finally break here. I don't trade trend lines, but just whenever I see these types of things, I definitely point them out. I mean, those of you that do trade trend lines, you know, like once it breaks, we should get volume. So let's see what happens. As of right now, it looks like it's still respecting it, but see how this plays out.
Sourcing every financial transfer to make their one leads us back to them. In the next 2 minutes? Do it now. Sorry, folks. The only way to stop it now is to pay the ransom. Or Nashville gets.
I ideally want to go break even as fast as possible just to secure my profits on the day, but just haven't found that point yet. I think once we sweep these highs, we definitely could see a price continue to strongly push higher and sweep that next area of liquidity. But we do have this gap here that could hold us up, but I would want to see us blast through that gap and not respect it if we truly are bullish. All right. Pull back here. Hopefully it's gonna respect this 5 minute inverse here. Another bullish close on that 5 minute, but right now we are tanking. Let's see the body stay in this upper half, but oof, this ain't looking too good. Just the strength of those bearish candles. And they close in the lower half. Yeah, it might be cooked here. If it is, then it will be still break even on the account. It is what it is. And a nice little push. Overall, solid trade. I mean, traded our model. I think what would have made this stronger is if this gap down here was a higher time frame gap, like a 5 or 15 minute gap, then I think we could have got a lot stronger push. But got this little 1 minute that we respected, so we'll see what price does here. It put in a little 1 minute inverse. See if we respect it. I mean, a 1 minute fair value gap. Daily, if we're still bullish, we inverse this gap. But let's see.
Daddy, you hearing this?
Yeah, she can talk about blue all she wants. Oh, God, no. Oh, my God.
What? What happened?
The next attack, the hackers are causing wrecks all across the city, and the casualties are off the chart.
What?
This first candle respected it.
A lot of criticals on their way in. Yeah, of course. I mean, we just heard. It's bad. It's about to get crazy in here. Save your hand is shaking. Are you okay? Dispatch just radioed. There's a trauma patient on their way in. The mother of a preemie I delivered in the ER. I convinced her to go home to get some rest, and she was in a
Oh, you know that that's not your fault.
She was scared to leave him, and I promised her that we would give him a lot of love. He needs to keep fighting, and with us being spread so thin, there's no way we can make good on that promise.
Oh, you will so. I mean, I'm no doctor, but I know how to give a baby some love. You go out there and you focus on saving people. We'll take care of it.
He's blind. He can't even walk.
I'm sure that there's a wheelchair around here somewhere.
Thank you both. His name is Julie. He's in the NICU, so you just tell her
I'm not liking this.
I'm working on the thing.
All these lows, equal lows that we're building up here.
Right there for her right now.
It's giving a Fed dump is incoming vibes.
Heart rate's 110, BP's 88 over 52.
Can't say I didn't call it.
We just need to keep her BP stable until we get her to normal.
But hopefully we come sweep this buy side liquidity first before we do that.
Yuri, tell us about your son. His name is Jude. He's a male with a sunshine.
Like, just chill, Bryce. You can sweep that sell side later, bro. Stick to that buy side first for me, please.
She's bleeding internally. Should I push my fluids? Won't help until that bleed is fixed. She needs an OR now to find that tear.
And bang. Holy edge. Holy edge. Holy edge. Holy stop loss edge. Sweep that liquidity. Sweep that little bit of sales out liquidity. Now we sprint higher. Yeah. No fucking way. No way we don't get stopped out here. No way price doesn't continue here. No. Holy goated stop loss placement. Where's the goated stop loss? What the fuck? What the fuck? Come on, baby. Slide. 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 Straight to that TP. Straight to that TP. Let me see that volume. Let me see that volume ski. Let me see that volume ski. This actually happened to me the other fucking day. At our Model 22, we had some sell side liquidity like this. Price came down and swept. I was thinking that we were going to get stopped out, so I closed early. Then price took off just like this. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Holy push. Holy fucking push. Let's keep that up for fucking 30 more points. That's all we need, baby. 30 more points. There's like this little tiny 5-minute here that you can see the bodies respected here. So I'm hoping we can get enough volume to push through that if we do start to come up higher here. Just to push through that to get us to our TP. And as you can see, I mean, we have 1 minute gap here, 1 minute gap here. So if we even get back up there, hopefully we can. What does it 5 minute look like? Yo, that's so nasty. Get a 5 minute inverse in this. Like, what the fuck? Now this shit's dumping again. Like, yo, that's so nasty. That's so nasty. It's just like, bro, like, do we actually leave all of these fucking highs here and keep tanking? Like, come on now, Price. Let's be real. You know you want to go grab them highs. You know you want to go grab them highs, man. Stop playing. Wow. Wow. No way we just made that great comeback just to get fucking stopped out. That's crazy. And the thing is, I'm gonna watch it too. That shit probably finna fucking stop me out and then slide. Because, I mean, the market conditions aren't different right now. We're so fucking volatile. This shit could fucking drop crazy. But before the crazy volatility, Asia ranges, bro. Like, Asia is a range session. Like, it ranges. It would have swept this sell side liquidity and then would have went and got the buy side liquidity. Like, simple as that. But today's where we're seeing 800 point fucking moves in Asia in one direction. So anything can happen in these conditions, is what I'm saying. Just like this shit still could slide and go get my fucking TP. As nasty as it is. I don't really like how that 5 minute closed below, because now it looks like that it's using this 5 minute gap and respecting the consequent encroachment of that. But it'll hold. Regardless, I can't do that. I can't close my trade early. It's either stop loss, TP, or break even. I had 3 accounts the other day that I closed early when it was like 2 or 3 points away from my break evens getting hit. And as soon as I closed, price slid the other way straight to my TP. It would have been a $4,000 trade on all three accounts. It would have passed all three evals for each account. So after that, no longer closing early ever again. We're still respecting body closing below this inverse. I really want to start seeing bodies get above that inverse if we truly are still bullish. Come on, let me see. There we go. Let's see some more volume to this buy side, baby. Let's see some more volume to this buy side. It's just like, bro, no way we leave these highs here before continuing to sell. Like, you can sell all you want. Just go ahead, go grab these highs for me. And ideally, once we take these highs, then I really don't want to see it come back down to my um entry. So if we take those highs, then I just may go break even. But I feel like it's just building up right now. Like, so much liquidity up here to just go and grab. Like, I think that once we do take these highs, it's just gonna like skyrocket very fast. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. Just skyrocket right to our TP ski. Straight to our TP ski.
What the hell just happened? Why aren't the generators turning on?
I like how weak these candles are, bro. You see let me get a boner candle here. You see a fat green candle to the high side. There we go. Here we go. Let me see that thing. Let me see that thing, baby. Okay. I mean, like I just said, closing trades early. I mean, it's first trade on his first account, so I want to secure profits, but if we would have still been in this original trade, I think our TP was like right in here for that well. Because we very much could sweep this, tap into this gap, and tank. So it's like, that would have been our TP originally. But now we need price to come up there, so we'll see what happens. That was a nice push there. Hopefully we can continue this push, man. Right now we're chopping 839. Let's see what these higher time frames looking like. I mean, technically that was a good little bounce off of that 1 hour there. See, 15-minute. Yeah, another strong ass bearish close on that 15-minute. Right now, this one's in pretty good shape, but I will see how she closes 5 more minutes on that. To reclaim this inverse here with that 5-minute close, so that's good. Yeah, I mean, we'll see how it plays out. Ideally, price comes back into this gap or this gap before continuing to sell off. But let's see how this plays out. I don't like how this 5-minute doesn't have a bottom wick. Like it's about to take off and it doesn't have a bottom wick. I mean, I'm not mad at it for taking off, you feel me? But ideally, price doesn't doesn't leave a candle without a bottom or top wick. It can't happen. It's just not likely. Might put a bottom wick on it here, but at this point with that close, I want to see it go ahead and slide. Like, see now we're fucking trading back down. Okay, bottom wick on that 5 minute. Let's take off now, baby. I like really want to just close this shit, but like I'm tired of being in this chop. Most of my previous market conditions, once we get that sweep, we rip to the other side of the opposing side liquidity, but sorry, this is good. Testing on my patience, discipline. Again, I mean, it's technically a risk-free trade since only risking 250, which is our profits that we just secured. But I wish we could have got like an entry down here off of that when it first tapped down there, but we got it in at the fucking top of that shit. But hopefully we should be good. It's just so choppy, like wants to sell so bad. It's just like we could fucking wake just barely past these highs and then see it tank. Just because of like how bearish this seems. But yeah, I'll definitely probably go be at the break of that. Alright, if we do break that high or those highs, I'll go be at that. If we get back up there. And this gap thing, that gap is stacked pretty much identically right on top of it. I'll leave that one up and delete that other one. But at this point, we just wait, man. Come on, just go ahead and slide for me, baby. So I can call it a night. At this point, guys, slide to my damn stop loss or TP. Tired of sitting in this. It's so nasty. See what Eddie doing. Eddie and all them boys was shorting M&Q when I was looking. I bet so many people probably thought that this shit was just gonna keep tanking after it swept that low because of all of this over here. That was a nice little reaction there. Can we get a push now? Can we get a push now? I'll follow through with a strong bullish candle for me. No, not that candle. A bullish candle.
Oh, he likes it when I rub his chest. An 8 for one's worth.
Why are we still down here, bro? Like, we really gonna leave all of this like that is? We're gonna come and sweep this liquidity, and then it's gonna come right back up. Watch what I say. But at the same time, it's like, what do we react off of? There's nothing really stopping it from tanking other than these fat ass gaps over here. Oh yeah, go ahead, reverse. Go ahead, reverse and close green for me.
I want to let you know we made it to the bottom of the rabbit hole.
Wait, you caught the hacker?
Tracked the money all the way back to Sergei Petrov, former colonel in the Russian GRU, living in Bulgaria. Interpol rated as flat. We got him.
Thank God for that.
Well, thank Kenny Riley. I mean, couldn't have done it without you.
Like, I want to put stop loss below this low, because I'm highly convinced that this is gonna
Inspire you to rebuild this.
go higher, but
Yeah, Mark was the best.
I'll have to risk 500.
Especially after a shift like this one.
So it would only be down 250 on the account.
5 years ago.
Nah, I'm not gonna do it, because I mean, I don't want to see it. Even if it does
They're all tough.
trade back down in here and stop like right here and continue higher, I just don't want to be. I don't want to be in this trade anymore after it trades below this gap. That gap is what's holding us up here. Like, that's the first gap in our market structure shift. So
I used to do the same thing.
Really?
But look, no pressure. But if you ever want to talk to someone, we can talk back. I lead a group, so.
Oh.
All right, cool. You know what? Just in case, I could probably give you my own.
Oh. Yeah.
I wanted to see this candle close
Over there.
pretty strong. Come on, baby. Close pretty strong for me. Damn.
You got a deal.
Like, putting this at the 500 would even be.
Spending time with my daughter is never a chore. And remind me ever play against you in poker. What is that supposed to be?
Like, do I do that? Because it could fill this gap. Maybe if I wick past it a little bit, could fill this gap, wick past and tap, and then retrace back. So I'm gonna keep it there, but regardless, I mean, regardless, I don't even want it to see it come down there, you feel me? So let's just see this thing skyrocket here.
And I know that Blue will appreciate it too. Again, not that I had anything to do with it, but just seems that boy,
Bro, look how much liquidity is just building up here. Just like once it starts to break some of this shit, it's just gonna fucking rip. It's gonna just absolutely rip. I like how that closed at the consequent encroachment. 10 minutes away from a new hourly candle. Maybe that'll give us some volume to push higher, hopefully. I don't know, man. We'll see. right now. This shit is looking nasty. Strong bears closed there. Not what we want to really see. That's what we do want to see, though. You hear me? What's a trade without a little bit of drawdown, baby? Without a little bit of drawdown, ski. This is a little bit of drawdown, but the time that we've been spending down here makes it a lot of bit of drawdown. They just skyrocket already, buddy. Look at putting in these equal lows again, just building up more liquidity to the downside. But it's like, bro, go sweep this buy side liquidity first before you come and play with this shit. Like, damn, man. Like, damn, man. Shit, might be cooked here. Might be cooked here, chat. Hopefully we can get another strong rejection here.
Well, this one started 12 hours ago. People are still going hard. How many are still in there? Could be 20, could be 60. Your guess is as good as mine.
It's not looking like it's rejecting very much here. Don't inverse. Ah, shit, we're cooked, chat. We're cooked. We're cooked here, chat. I think we're cooked here, chat. I think we might be cooked here, chat. We might be cooked here, chat. Yeah. Slide bullish now. Slide bullish. Slide. Just slide, twin. Just slide. If we could engulf this candle, that would be fucking huge. 10 seconds left. Yeah, we're cooked. This shit's about to keep tanking. Oh, yeah, we're cooked. We're probably cooked. I'm comfortable with this risk, though. I'm comfortable with it. It's only gonna be like, only gonna be down like 250 on my account if we lose this.
First, we need to manually relieve the air to protect your space. You want to do this here? I need you to cut the clavicle, grab me a scalpel. You say blowhole?
It'd have been nice to see this candle close green, but it's not looking like it. I might have spoke too early. See a little push. Let's see a little push. Okay. Hopefully we can get back up. If we can get back up to my entry within the next 4 minutes before this new hourly, I think we might just get the volume off that new hourly that we're looking for. But we'll see what happens.
Actually,
10 seconds on this candle. Can we close bullish? Like how it's trying to hold though. Like it doesn't want to close fucking. Like it doesn't want to trade down, honestly. It's holding right at this gap too. Like if it slides to our TP from here, that's gonna be crazy. Because that's exactly what the fuck I said. It's gonna come down, fill that gap, and then take off. Seen that shit happen way too many times. Which when I very first got in this trade, I said I wanted to be stop loss at the bottom of this candle. Which honestly, just to protect the risk some, I am gonna move that to there. Actually, I lied. Just because this new hourly probably can get wiki, so it might get a spike or some shit. Hopefully it's a spike to the buy side though. Let's see some bullish volume here. Let's see this bullish volume keep. Ooh. So gap right here on the break of these lows. Market structure shift. So we might have just been trading back up to this gap, and now we might continue to tank. Hopefully that's not the case though. Not looking good. Not looking good. Ouch. One more minute on this. That means this market structure shift, model 22 model will be happening during this macro time as well, which is generally when the setups form. So it's like, we might see this shit tank at this market open. Hopefully it gives us some type of volume though. Instead of just fucking chop. Yeah. 10 seconds on this. Strong bullish close. Okay. That's what I like to see. New hourly, bullish. Got some bullish volume. Let's keep that up. Let's keep that up. Ooh, I need to see it close up there. I want to see it close up there and burst this gap. 15 seconds. Solid close. Let's see this bullish volume continue here. Please. Please, please. Pretty please. It's weak. This shit making me want to close at break even. I'm probably not even gonna get the chance. This is about to tank. What a nasty Asia session. We went from yesterday being a 800-point Asia session to this Asia session being a 66-point session. What a time to be alive, right? What a time to be alive.
See, this is why I don't trust cats, man. Wait, y'all hear that? What? That thing is coming from the engine. Open that hood. Well, I'll be.
Ooh, yep, here it goes. GG's, chat. GG's. We're cooked. We're cooked. And that's a wrap for the night, fellas. No way, this holds. Like, actually, I don't even care if this hits my stop loss at this point. I just want to be out of this trade. Actually, though, actually, been in this trade for 46 minutes.
You sleep well? And your coffee and pop.
Mama, since when do you iron?
Since you started having weekly brunch at Raleigh Manor, you can't show up the streets of the Kentucky
Hey, don't be turning the trade back down now, man. You gonna make this strong ass bullish close after. And I need a strong bullish. Need you to keep sliding to the top side, and if you gonna go, then go, baby.
Don't look at me with those bush baby eyes. You know that's been the plan since day one.
That bit not going. That bit trying to go get her stop loss. She trying to go get her stop loss. That was a nice close. Keep sliding for me.
Who knows where I could have been now? Could have been a headlock.
All right, so tell me, what amount of money can
One. But him paying for my procedure would be a nice start.
You know what? That's fair. I'll tell Jose about your name service.
What? No.
Got this 15-minute technically tapping into this order block.
My wife and his wouldn't let him give you a nickel if you
But we just are chopping. There's no buyers in the market at all. And we're cooked. GG's, chat. Catch up boys tomorrow.